Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Resident Evil 2 game crashing or not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, stuck on loading screen, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapters. Expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update drive and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties and click on install files and click on browse. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on general and here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to resolve the problem. But if the issue continues again and again, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search, search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall network protection, allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if the game is working now. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, now launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search, search for settings. Now click on Windows update option. Here you have to click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once your website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it, wait for some time. Once it is completed, you will get successful message. Close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check if it's working. But if the issue continues again and again, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and after that reinstall Resident Evil 2 game and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few solutions to fix Resident Evil 2 crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing or black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.